Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today we're making creamy mozzarella shrimp pasta. This is my first time trying this recipe and it was amazing. So here we are. I have to share this one with you guys. It's that good. Let's get started. First thing we're gonna do is dice up 1 whole onion and 3 garlic cloves. Next, we're going to dice up some of these sun-dried tomatoes. This recipe calls for 4 ounces of sun-dried tomatoes diced and sliced. So half of this 8-ounce jar. Now, if you're like me and you've never used sun-dried tomatoes before in your life, you might want to toss them in a food processor or chop them up really fine. This recipe says to slice them into smaller chunks if needed. I cut them in half thinking that's good enough. I later discovered that these little guys pack a huge punch of flavor. I definitely should have either chopped them up super fine or ran them through my food processor. And I'm not saying they were bad, they were actually really tasty, but the dish as a whole would have tasted even more better if they were finely chopped instead of in the chunks I left them in. Into this boiling pot of water goes our penne pasta. Now you don't have to use penne pasta, you can use any kind of pasta you want. Angel hair, regular, peekaboo little shrimp. We're actually using jumbo-sized shrimp today. To our pan, we're going to add in a pat of butter and a few splashes of the sun-dried tomato oil. First, we're going to cook up our raw shrimp and add in our garlic. Shrimp cook really fast and so does garlic. So we're going to cook them until the shrimp turns pink on both sides, which is usually about 1 to 2 minutes depending on how hot your pan is. Mine is on medium-high heat. And if you're using jumbo shrimp like I am, it might take a little bit longer. Once our shrimp are cooked, we're going to take them out so we can saute our onions and add in our sun-dried tomatoes. If you don't take them out and you just leave them in the pan to cook, they're going to taste rubbery. And you don't want that, so take your shrimp out. By the way, this recipe does not call for onions, but I love onions, so today we're making a slight adjustment and adding them in. Now we're going to add in 1 cup of half and half. And in goes 1 cup of mozzarella cheese. I did add a splash more of the half and half. It felt like the sauce was thickening up a little too much for my liking. I could have and probably should have used a splash of pasta water instead, but this works just fine too. Next, we're going to add in our seasonings. 1 tablespoon of dried basil, 1/8 of a teaspoon of paprika, I just eyeballed it, and a pinch of salt and some black pepper. Give everything a good mix and then add in your pasta. Add in your shrimp and you're done. Time to enjoy this wonderful home-cooked meal. Let me know in the comments below if you're going to give this recipe a try. I'll leave a link in the description box below for you. Until next time, thank you so much for watching my video, and if you like this video and would like to see more, please like and subscribe to my channel.